at the mathematics. The people of Southeast Nigeria are actually resident in all parts of the country. In fact, it is believed that the Southeast community in every part of Nigeria constitute the largest communities, second only to the indigenous communities or to the host communities, from Lagos to Abuja, Kano, Kaduna, and of course the Southeast. So we may look at the figures coming out of the Southeast alone and assume that the voting strength of the Southeast is negligible. It is not so. If you look at it from that perspective, you'll be missing a very important point.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that man said. He said that Igbos are residents in all parts of the country. That's the truth. If you go to other parts of the country, like the north, the southwest, the south-south, north central, Igbos are there in numbers. Igbos are there to do business and all that. So if you check the revenue that are being made in those locations, you will see that Igbos are part of the reason why those people are making those revenue. Any state that the Igbos find themselves, they do well there. They contribute to the development of that region, of that place they find themselves. He said that the population of the Igbos constitutes the largest community, second only to the indigenous people there, from Lagos to Abuja, Kano to Kaduna, and other parts of Nigeria, and also in the southeast. The man said that the population of the Igbos outside Igbo land in other states is second only to the indigenous people there. After the population of the indigenous people in Lagos, the Igbos are the second most populated people there. In Kano, after the indigenous people there, the population of the Igbos is second. In Kaduna, the same thing. In Abuja, the same thing. Igbos are populated in all states in Nigeria. Look at the population census in Sapele that took place in 1952. Sapele is owned by Okwe people. After Okwe people, who are indigenous, the next most populated people there are Igbo people. In Sapele, during the 1952 census, the population of Igbos there is 11,794 people. The population of Yoruba people there is 7,657. Isekiri, 4,825, and so on. Just in Sapele alone, the Igbos are the second majority tribe there. Talk more of other states. During the census of year 1921, the Igbos were the largest tribe in Nigeria. During the 1921 census, the number of the Igbos is 3,927,000 people. The number of Edo people is 472,000. Number of Ijaw people, 174,000. Number of Yoruba people, 2,113,000. Other tribes, 34,000. The population of Igbos in Nigeria is so big. You'll be surprised to know that Igbo tribe is the most populated tribe in Nigeria. All this one that they are telling people that the Igbos are the third most populated tribe in Nigeria is all lies. Census of 1921, they thought the Igbos are the most populated tribe in Nigeria. Now, in the census of 1931, the population of the Igbos is 3,172,789. The population of Yoruba people is 3,166,154. The population of Hausa people is 3,604,016. You see, so the number of Igbos is still bigger than that of Yoruba. But today, the country is saying that Yoruba people are more populated than Igbo people. This is just politics. All around the country, after the indigenous people there, Igbos are the second most populated people there. So the number of Igbos too plenty for this country. But when it comes to election, Our number don't count. They will say that Igbos don't have population, this, that, lying, just to make people feel that we don't have population, just to bring down our voting power. They will tell you that the north is so populated, population too full north, this, that. They will start to record millions as numbers, which are all lies. This thing that you hear, local government in the north, local government, there are communities in the north whereby houses where they those places not reach 200, yet they go call them local government, they collect allocation. But when you come to Igbo land here, local government crowd full am, plenty, just one local government. If you come to Shini local government, crowd of people. If you come to Nature local government, crowd of people. If you come to Ndokwa East, crowd of people. If you come to Ndokwa West, crowd of people. If you come to Nkwan local government, crowd of people. But if you go to the north, empty land, they call them local governments. They collect money. So now all those empty land now can be the population. Landmass is not population. Some people will tell you, the north is so big, they get population pass us. The population of Russia is very small compared to the population of Nigeria. Russia have the land mass, but Nigeria have the population. Russia is the biggest country in the world, but they don't have population. Even with all the land that Russia have, their population is just 140 something million people. But the population of Nigeria, that is just a tiny country compared to Russia, is 200 and something million people. So it's not by land mass. So Yoruba people will be telling you, Igbos don't have population. What is the population of Yoruba people in Igbo land? The population of the Igbos in Lagos is more than the population of Yoruba people in Igbo land. The population of Igbos in that Lagos too much. Igbos plenty for Lagos. And that is why so many Yoruba people want to kill themselves, crying, Igbo want to take over Lagos, Igbo want to take over Lagos. So person can't do business, you say you want to take over Lagos. How many Yoruba people are in Igbo land? Few. The ones where they hear Abo that they say, not they do for your past to sell Abo. But in Lagos, Igbos have businesses there, employing all Nigerians to work there and earn a living. Igbo get population for this country. Stop believing all those lies that they tell you that Igbos are just a minority. Say Igbos not get population. They are just lying. They are playing politics. They will tell you Igbos don't have population to make we Igbos feel that we don't have voting power. It's not true. It's just politics that they are playing. You will be surprised to know that the population of Igbos is more than Hausa. But if the population of Hausa is more than the Igbos, na small thing. This is why they divided the Igbos. During the genocide against the Igbos, Gowon said that he will create core states. After creating that core state, they started cutting Igbos, adding to other states to reduce our population, to reduce our power, to reduce our unity. That core state that he created is the reason why so many Igbo people are saying that they are not Igbos, they are not Igbos. Reducing the number of the Igbos. People will be say before they thought they be Igbo, now they start to return to not be Igbo people. Just to make sure say only Southeast can't be Igbo. Only 5 states then they call Igbo. Whereas Igbos are indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria. This is the reason why we Igbos must unite. Not be say make we Igbos unite. We must unite. Because only unity will save we Igbos in this country. Only unity will increase our voting power. Not only unity go make we Igbos talk wetin go happen for this country. Our world go stand because we talk that thing in unity. We take that decision in unity. Igbos are not a minority, we are a majority in this country. And that is why the entire Igbo race should unite. Come together, let's unite. We are divided, that's why they are using us to play in this country. Everybody just take Igbo, they do anyhow. See as that illiterate from Edo State, we call himself governor, they talk to P2B anyhow. Can he say that to Erufai? Can he say that to Atiku? Igbo just dey easy to bully for this country. One idiot go just come out, they talk to Igbos anyhow because Igbos are the most hated. Igbos are not united. That's why any idiot will just come out and insult himself. Governor will not fit pronounce billions. Look at his certificates. D everywhere. If na country where they function, you know go fit even become the governor where be with that bad result. Person wey get DD for result, DRF, he show you say you no book, he don't know anything. But he became the governor of a state. Na campaign they do, they tell Edo State people, I will bring insecurity to Edo State. Can you imagine? See rubbish when you talk for campaign. You get mad, they insult P2B. Say you will take action against him. If you enter Edo State, he not tell you, say you be who? They're just bullying P2B because he's Igbo. And because the Igbo is not gonna get that one voice to speak. Waiting off he tell Rufai, waiting off he tell Atiku, waiting off he tell Fulani politician. Na P2B get mad to tell that rubbish. Ndi Igbo unite, Igbos must unite. Igbo bofu, we Igbos have the population and we will do everything possible to make sure that the entire population of the Igbos in Nigeria come together as a single unit. And we will never allow politics to divide us. That's politics that go on played by dividing the Igbos, creating core-states. We Igbos will do everything possible to make sure that the entire Igbos found in the 13 states in Nigeria are united. For us to have voting power, for us to increase our population, Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anyone to divide us. Ishiagwale.